Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math and Tech. Today we discuss about basic topology. In BSc Mathematics Real Analysis, we study a brief discussion about epsilon neighborhood, open set, closed set, Cantor set and compact set. In BSc Mathematics, in real analysis, we study all these in R1. In R1 means for a real line, not R2, R3, etc. So in R1, the idea is different. Let A be a real number. Epsilon neighborhood means the open interval A minus epsilon, A plus epsilon. And the neighborhood means a set containing an epsilon neighborhood. Any set containing an epsilon neighborhood is called a neighborhood. And open set means let G be a subset of R. G is open if every point of G has a neighborhood in G. That is, an open interval is an open set. And F be a subset of R. F is closed if and only if its complement is open. The null set and the entire set R are both open and closed. Open interval is no doubt an open set. On the other hand, closed interval is a closed set. Closed and bounded set is called compact set. And in the last session, we discussed about Cantor set and its properties. Cantor set is again a closed set. And limit point means let P be a limit point of a set F, then every point of P has every neighborhood of P has a point in the set F other than P. So P be a limit point. P be a limit point of a set F. It's a neighborhood. That is P minus epsilon, P plus epsilon contains other points of F. And we can interpret open set and closed set in so many ways. A set G subset of R is open if all its points are interior points. Every point is an interior point. Similarly, a set is closed. F be a subset of R. F is closed. Every limit point of F contained in F. In terms of limit point, all the limit points contained in F. All these are we studied in BSc Mathematics. Today we discuss about metric space, and in terms of metric space, the idea of metric space is very simple. Let X be a set together with a metric, then XD is a metric space. And we discuss the idea neighborhood, open set, closed set, limit point, perfect set, Noverdense, dense in itself, compact set, etc. in terms of metric space. So our first definition is neighborhood of a point P. So let X be a metric space and P be a point of X. Neighborhood of P means in R2 and R3, not in R1, in R2 and R3, neighborhood of the point P means open disk or open ball. That is, distance between P and Q less than R. P be the given point, neighborhood of P means we can find points Q so that distance PQ less than R. So in R2 it is an open disk, but in R3 it is an open ball. And we denote this neighborhood NPR. R is called radius of the neighborhood. So what is the distance between P and Q? It is less than R. All such points Q is the neighborhood of P. So neighborhood of a point P is all points Q so that distance between P and Q is less than R, and we denote this neighborhood NPR. This R is called radius of the neighborhood. Now second definition, limit point. So X be a metric space, a point P is a limit point of the set E subset of X. P is a limit point of E subset of X if every neighborhood of P contains a point Q element of E other than P. Every neighborhood of P contains points of Q other than P, at least one point. So neighborhood of P, this NRP contains other points Q element E. So P is called a limit point. So note the definition, P is a limit point of the set E if every neighborhood NRP contains at least one point Q in the set E. We show that P is a limit point, this neighborhood contains infinitely many points of E. So definition, at least one point of E. So we can show that this neighborhood contains infinitely many points of E. So if P is not a limit point of E, P is not a limit point of E means neighborhood of P contains only the point P. Such a point is called isolated point. So P is an isolated point if some neighborhood contains only the point P itself. Now we define open set and closed set. Closed set already we defined in R1. A set E is closed if it contains all of its limit points. So in terms of limit points, the set E subset of X is closed if every limit point of E is a point of E. It contains all of its limit points. So note the definition, closed set. Now open set, E is open if every point is an interior point. Every point is an interior point means every point has a neighborhood contained in E. Every point in E has a neighborhood contained in E. That point contained in E and neighborhood also contained in E. That is the definition interior point. P is an interior point means neighborhood of P contained in E. So all the points are interior points. The set E is open. Every point is an interior point. In other words, the set E is open if its complement with respect to X or with relative to X is a closed set. A set is closed, its complement is open. A set is open, its complement is closed. So note the idea, closed and open set. So we define closed set and open set. So let E be a subset of X. E is closed if E contains all of its limit points. Not E contains all of the limit points. Our next definition, E is a perfect set. E is a perfect set means E is closed and E is the set of all limit points. Every point is a limit point. E is closed and every point of E is a limit point. So the idea is different. E is closed and every point is a limit point, then E is perfect. Every point is a limit point. E be a closed set and every point is a limit point is called perfect. Our next definition, let E be a subset of X. Then E is dense in X. E is dense in X means every point of X is a point of E or a limit point of E or both. Every point of X is a point of E or a limit point of E or both. Then we say that E is dense in X. So note the definition, E is dense in X. E is dense in X if every point of X is a limit point of E or a point of E or both. Now another definition, bounded. The set E is bounded. We can find a real number M and a point Q in X. E is bounded. E be a subset of X. So find Q element X. Q belongs to X so that the neighborhood dpq or distance between P and Q less than M. So this is true for all the points P in E. All the points in E, distance with Q less than M. That is, we can find a real number M and a point Q in the set X. That Q is fixed. Q is a set. Q is an element in the set X. Q is a fixed point and M is a fixed real number. But P, every point of E. So for every P in E, the distance dpq less than M. Then the set E is bounded. Idea clear ആയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. Today we define open set, closed set, perfect set and dense set in terms of metric space. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.